today, Red Belly Network, RBNT, at the request of Cheese, one of my moderators. All right, so on the weekly chart, a little bit sketchy here. We're still stuck under the 8 EMA and haven't quite broken through like we did just earlier last month in July. We got over the 8 EMA then, still stuck under it right now. Good deal. So how about daily? Well, you can see the big trend line that I've got coming down here. You can also see that we're underneath these moving averages. We're underneath the 100. We're underneath the 50. We're underneath the 21 EMA in purple right there. And we're over the 8 EMA. We had a very good day come in here on Wednesday. I believe it was plus 14%. But the problem is it back tested the moving averages and didn't get over them yet. In time, I think it will. It's just a little stuck right now. Needs a little bit longer. Once it gets over the hump here and it gets back over that 50, I think it's going to start to sprint again. If we look at the pullback that it did, from the bottom to the top, and we drag this over a little bit so we can see it. All right, we came down and did a perfect, bow, 786 Sniper's Alley retrace. She hit 786 and she bounced aggressively. If that's the bottom, we can pull the fib back the other direction now. Let's start at the top and pull it to the bottom. Excellent. Looks like it might even be a broken trend to me. So let's drag this over here so we can just see it a little bit better. Going back in the other direction, I want to see it close over this 236. That would be absolutely lovely. Close over that 236 and you start to change some opinions for me. All right. From there, getting over the 382 is our first big bullish sentiment. Breaking that 382 fib puts us on a path to the 50 fib, which is up here and testing the trend line. Remember also the 200 moving average daily is slowly bearing down here. That's all the way up at Sniper's Alley. Ooh, another Sniper's Alley run. From here to Sniper's Alley, 50%. Not too bad. I think it's got it in it. Whether it does it now or later, she's going to break out and sprint. How far do I think it goes? Well, the weekly 382 is up here, and there's also a daily 1618 right here. Makes sense to me that both of the price gets up to both of those. That's 150 to 175%. I think there's gains in it. Maybe not right now, but eventually she's going to get going here. Apparently this one's got a big network. I had it. I've sold it. I might rebuy it. We'll see. I'm still sitting on a lot of Bitcoin. Don't want to sell it off just yet. I'm being stingy.